Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. I am back with another brand new story, and this book is Gray Fox in the Moonlight. It is written and illustrated by Isaac Peterson, and it's published by the Collective Book Studio, and we want to thank them for allowing us to share this book with you today. So, this book has amazing illustrations, and I don't know if you can tell, but the fox on the cover is silver and shimmery. It's very cool. And when we open it up on these end papers, look at that. That is also silvery and shimmery. And when you check this book out, you'll be able to see it even better. Let's get started. Gray Fox in the Moonlight. Gray Fox walks so lightly through the woods. The breeze moves slightly. Autumn leaves fall. Gray Fox looks up at the sky. The stars shine between the leaves. The moon is caught in the branches. Gray Fox sees the river unwind between the trees. The water reflects Gray Fox's eyes. Do you see the reflection? All the world is still until. What do you think is going to happen? Gray Fox moves again. The path bends back. Do you see that? Do you see a bend? Gray Fox runs swiftly. She leaps the log. Back again to her den. Before I turn the page, what do you see right there? Those look like tails. What do you think's in her den? Her kits, where her kits are dreaming. And that's what you call baby fox. Fall asleep, Gray Fox. The sun is rising. And do you see them all asleep right there? Do you see them? The end. And then there's some more of these amazing end papers. All right, who remembers what it's called? What animals that sleep during the day are called? If you know, let me know on our Instagram page. We've talked a lot about that in stories over the past few months, past year. I would love to know what you think about this story, so please let us know on our Instagram page. I will be back on Thursday with another brand new story to share with you. So until then, I hope everybody has a great couple days, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye for now.